So if you missed the internet meltdown, here's the recap. Cracker Barrel, the Southern-style, porch-rocking, biscuit and gravy institution, rolled out a modernized logo. No more barrel, no more chair, just a simplified monogram and a clean sans serif typeface. And social media, predictably, lost its collective mind. So what went wrong? So let's come back to the central question. Was this a mistake or was it a failure? Because those aren't the same thing. A mistake is doing something you knew better than to do. A failure is trying something that just didn't work out. And marketing needs room for failure, especially now when AI is already producing the safe version of almost everything. Because when the safe version is a click away, the only thing that differentiates you is the courage to do something different, even if it doesn't land. So no, Cracker Barrel didn't get it right, but they did get something more important than being right. They tried. They took a swing. They stepped into the arena, and yeah, they took the hit. But in a culture that often punishes risk harder than it rewards originality, sometimes showing up matters a lot more than sticking the landing. Because the real threat to creativity in marketing isn't failure, it's fear. Fear of critique, fear of getting it wrong, fear of that one VP email saying, can't the AI give us a 70% version of this without the risk? Which, by the way, is a real thing that I saw, really personally. And when that fear wins, our best ideas never even make it to the whiteboard. So was the Cracker Barrel rebrand a failure? Sure, but it wasn't a mistake. If you want more, I wrote a whole article with my thoughts, and basically in the post itself, there's a link, and I'd love for you to go check it out. And in the long run, I'll take a creative team that fails trying to evolve over one that never dares to move at all. Because if we only make room for what's predictable, we'll never make room for what's possible. It's your story. Tell it well. I'll see you next week.